In this video, I am going to show you how to inscribe a hexagon in a circle using GeoGebra. Let's get to it. This is using technology. It's going to be really fun. I'm going to go to the classic. There is a geometry. I like this one better. The only thing is I need to open up this tool and take off the grid and the XY axes. Now we're ready to begin. I'm going to start with a circle, the first one. We're going to put a hexagon in here and I'll show you how. First off, I'm going to need a diameter, so I'm going to use the line tool from here to here. Now I'm going to put a point here so I have created a diameter. Now I'm going to make a hexagon in just a few easy steps. Under here is a compass. I'm going to go A, B to B. What that did is it copied this radius to here and to here. Now I'm going to drag this compass over to here. I actually have the hexagon almost already. I'm going to intersect. I could either put a point here or I could intersect these two circles to get the point here. I could put a point here and here, or I could just intersect. Yay! All right, now we're going to go to the polygon tool. I'm going to change the color. And here we have a hexagon. Isn't that amazing? Now I'm going to show you a shortcut. I'm adding on to this. Sorry, but it's really fun. so fun. I'm going to undo some stuff here. I'm going to show you how to put an equilateral triangle into our circle. Let me show you. Start with the circle. We're going to inscribe an equilateral triangle in the circle. We will need a diameter. We're going to use the line tool, and we got a diameter. Now I'm going to use the compass tool, A, B to B. We're almost there. I'm going to put a point here or here, but I'm going to actually use the intersection tool. There we go. Polygon. So if we had just gone to here, that would have been the equilateral triangle. That's the construction. But let's go back over to here, and you can see that it's actually, well, let's go finish this up as a hexagon. It's so fun. All right, I'm going to go and put in a hexagon. So the equilateral triangle is every other point, but the hexagon is every point. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's really fun. Have a good day. Thank you.